Hi, this is Jamie from Hippo, showing you how to use AI to compare two versions of a document. So suppose we have a contract that we're working on. This is just a fictional case, but it might contain some quite sensitive data in it about an agreement between two companies. And, we started out drafting an agreement, and then the other party, if we're Acme, the other party, Quokka, has made amendments in version 2. So, of course, we want to know what's different between those two versions of the document, because if we just approve it but miss something, that could have serious consequences for a business. So we can use our AI tool Hippo for that. And Hippo is like ChatGPT, but it stops your data going outside of Australia. So if you're working on confidential information, you can have that secure feeling that your data's not going outside of Australia. It's being looked after and not being used to train models. So what we're going to do is going to create a workspace. So this is a place where we can have conversations and upload files. So let's call it Acme Agreement. And we can add those files. So I add them here. And they get uploaded into Hippo and stored on behind our enterprise grade security on Australian servers. So the data, unlike other tools like ChatGPT, the data's not going overseas, and then you don't have to worry about breaching the Privacy Act in doing that. Or that it might be disclosed to the public through model training or anything like that. So we can see that's now in the workspace. Hippo can see it when we're having a chat in this workspace. So now we can say something like, read the two versions of the contract and table the differences made in version 2. Highlight the severity or importance for Acme. And so Hippo's got access to those files that we uploaded, and it's able to load them. You can see what it's done here. It's loaded those two files, read them, and then compared them. And you can see the kind of differences, and it's picked up, there was quite a large important change made in the contract to do with the licensing agreement for the IP. And, you could go and further ask it more questions about that. So I hope that's helped you to see how you could compare documents. Obviously, you could then compare, different documents in the workspace and combinations of documents and things like that. So enjoy.